Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your GitHub account. So in order to do that, you want to sign in, of course, and then click your account on the upper right hand side, click and profile. And then from here on the left hand side, you want to just click your picture here. That's one way to quickly access it. Click an account from here as well. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, you will find delete account. So click and delete your account. You'll receive this pop-up box here, which you need to ensure that you read very carefully. And from here, you either enter your email address or your username. And then to verify, you want to type delete my account. So you want to ensure that you type the word delete my account, as you see there. And let me spell that correctly. And then from here, just enter your username as well. So that would be Drew Toots in my case. And once you do that, guys, you will have this option where it says cancel plan and delete this account. You click on that, proceed, and that's how you do it. Very easy and very simple.